Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the home remedies for cough. You can try some natural cough treatments using readily available ingredients in your kitchen. Here are the some remedies for cough. First is turmeric. Heat half a cup of water in a boiling pot. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon black pepper. You may also add cinnamon sticks. Boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this daily until the condition improves. Another home remedy is ginger. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring to a boil. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times a day for relief from sore throat, non-stop coughing, and even congestion. You can also some lemon juice and honey to it. Another home remedy is lemon. A simple cough syrup can be made by combining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Another way to use lemon is to blend lemon juice with a little honey and a pinch of chili pepper and then drink it. Another home remedy is hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can relieve a dry cough and reduce chest pain you may be experiencing from continuous coughing. For best results, drink it before going to sleep. For added benefits from the analgesic properties of honey, swallow a teaspoon of plain honey on empty stomach. This will help clear the mucus and soothe your throat. Another home remedy is garlic. Boil 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a cup of water and add a teaspoon of oregano. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Add some honey and drink it. This will help your breathing and alleviate other cough symptoms. Heat a clove of crushed garlic mixed with a few drops of clove oil and some honey for sore throat relief. You can also use garlic in your cooking. Thank you friends.